Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a Roblox game. So first, make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, we need just to go to the Roblox website and then connect in. And make sure you are logged into your account so we can be able to start our Roblox Studio to create our own games. So basically, this is my profile. You will need just to go to this navigation bar here. We click and basically you can just search for create or the menu create and we can find it here in this toolbar. So we click just on create and it will take us to the create Roblox. So basically here you can find your creations, etc. Basically, we want just to go to the studio. You click just on studio and here I'm going to open Studio Roblox. If you didn't already have the Studio Roblox, you will need just to click on download and it will start downloading. So basically after we start up our Studio Roblox, we will need just to start our templates or game or places. So now we're just waiting for the Studio Roblox to open and we will start our creations. And this is our Roblox Studio after the startup. And all we need to do is you can go here to find your games, and here you can see all the games of your creation. So we just click on new, and those are like the templates that you can start using. So basically, either you can start from scratch and you will have this base template, or you can just like have a first template that you can start like modifying or editing on it, like the pirate island or whatever. So basically, let's suppose just to go to a flat terrain, and here we will have like our game from scratch. And basically, this is like your field, and here you will have your own toolbox. So now you can just start adding like parts, like a block. You can just go here, and in this part, you can just like give it some colors. You can change the field, you can change also like the position, size, etc. And those are all like the parameters or properties of these objects. Or you can just like go here from the toolbox and start like taking from models. And for example, for this structure, I will just take this house and I will just put it as it is in the model. So basically, let's just rotate here and have slight rotation. And as you can see, this is the house. You can just like take in from the models, and of course you can like starting modifying and editing on this model by just taking for example the level of here. We can just like have streaming mesh. You can change some things on it, for example like the position, the pivot, etc., and other appearance details or appearance model. And of course, the more this is the easiest way like to start having your own world, just by like taking the models and start like modifying, and then you can start like having the material managers, etc. And after that, after you finish, you can either collaborate and you start have you can start saving your Roblox world, or you can just also test in your world here by clicking on play, and basically you will start also be able to create in your UI or user interface, etc. And after you finish, you can just like go here and you can publish your game to Roblox, etc. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.